Let's now go to acupuncture for emergencies. Let's discuss bleeding from uterus. The ordinary uterus bleeding, you can use acupuncture on the Shangdu point, use moxibustion on the spleen 1 point, and then acupuncture on the Suling point. For uterus bleeding after birth delivery, you can use acupuncture on the spleen 1 point, use acupuncture on the Li4 and spleen 6 point, use acupuncture on the SJ6 and spleen 6 points. Use acupuncture on the Li4, spleen 6 do 26 and stomach 36 points. And use moxibustion on the spleen 1 and Ren 4 points. Use folk therapy. Use 15 grams hot pepper roots and 4 chicken's feet. Add the pepper roots and chicken's feet to water. Bring to a boil for 20 to 30 minutes. Drink the soup twice a day. After bleeding stops, the drink should still be consumed for 5 to 10 days. Burn one lofa until dark in color. Grind into powder. Drink it with salt water, 9 grams each time, 3 times a day. Cook 30 grams of lychee in water for 5 minutes. Drink it as a tea every day. Continue for 15 days. For dysmenorrhea, we can use acupuncture on the point under the 17th vertebra, use acupuncture point on the liver 5 and GB26 points, use acupuncture on the UB55 point, use acupuncture on the spleen 6, lingu, and menjian points, use folk therapy. For lower stomach pain due to menstruation, use 15 grams fresh ginger and 30 grams brown sugar. Add the material to water, bring to a boil for 30 minutes. Drink the soup. For stomach pain due to menstruation, use 10 grams Chinese prickly ash peel and 3 grams of pepper. Grind the material into a powder. Mix with liquor to prepare a paste. Apply the paste on the navel, seal it with medical tape. Repeat every day. This tip works if the pain is due to the accumulation of cold in the lower stomach area or the uterus. For lower stomach pain before menstruation, add 15 grams fennel to water. Bring to a boil for 30 minutes. Drink the exact extract every day, 3 days before the period begins. For lower stomach pain before menstruation, use 500 ml liquor and 60 grams salvia. Add the salvia to the liquor. Keep for 1 month. Drink the mixture several days before the period begins. This tip is mostly useful if the pain is caused by blood stagnation in the lower stomach. For stomach pain before or during menstruation, cut dried loofah into small pieces. Add it to water, bring to a boil for 30 to 60 minutes. Drink the extract and repeat twice a day. For lower back pain in women, add 30 grams of loofah, net material to water. Bring to a boil for 30 to 60 minutes. Drink the water extract together with a little cooking wine. Thank you for your attention.